What's going on, guys? And today is Tech Tip Tuesday. Welcome. And today we are going to take care of how to resize an image within Windows 10 for free. Yeah, for free. So let's get right into it. All right, so how to resize images on Windows 10 using Paint 3D. That is the program that we are using because Windows 10 automatically comes with it. So it's free. So on my desktop, I have an image. And if I right click on the image and I go into Open With, I'm going to pick Paint 3D. It's going to load up, and once it's done, you're going to see your image. Super simple. On the toolbar, you're going to see an option that says Canvas. Click on it, and on the right hand side, you're going to get all the options for Canvas. Now make sure you have the following two checked off. 1. Lock aspect ratio and resize image with Canvas. By default, those two are checked off, but just make sure you have it checked off. Now this image right now is a 1920 by 1080. Now if I change the width and the height, it will automatically resize it for me. How awesome is that? Now once you make your changes, we need to save it. Now to save it within Paint 3D, we are going to click on Menu, and within Menu we could pick Save, which will override the image that we are editing, or you could pick Save As and change the name. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this Tech Tip Tuesday. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and do not forget about hitting that notification bell to get the latest and greatest from this guy. And I catch you guys on the next Tuesday. Peace out.